Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Digital Classroom. Today we're going to take a look at this shot, and how did I do that one? Now, as our main light source for this shot, we're actually using an umbrella. Now, one of the things that I absolutely love about broad light sources, and an umbrella without any doubt is a broad light source, is that you can literally manipulate the light by just very slightly angling your light source. Now, in this case, we're using the umbrella with a sleeve to make the light extra soft on our model. Now, what you can do in this case is use the light straight front on your model. Now, at first, on the backdrop, you will see that the light has a huge impact on the way that your backdrop is lit, but also on your model, of course. Now, if you want the vignette a little bit more behind your model, like you see on the images here, the only thing you have to do is just angle that strobe a little bit more down. So in other words, you are always lighting your model because you have a broad light source. And a broad light source means that the light goes everywhere. And by angling that broad light source, you're actually controlling the angle of your light. So in essence, you're controlling your backdrop. So what is the big tip about today's setup? It's not about the lighting setup, because that's pretty easy, right? Straight on your model. It's almost like a butterfly lighting. The tip for today is that you can control your backdrop with ease by just angling your light source. But there's always a little bit of a catch, right? Yes. It's the difference between the distance of your model to the backdrop and your light source. There's something called the inverse square law. Light falls off over the distance. So that means you have to make sure that there's a little bit of distance between your model and the backdrop. And after that, it's easy peasy. You just draw lines in your mind and you just look where the light is hitting your backdrop. And always remember that the center of the light is always harsh but has a lot of output, and the sides of the light are always very soft and have a little bit less output. So by angling your light, you as a photographer have total control over your lighting, and the lighting doesn't have any control over you. Now, if you like this tip, leave comments below, and of course hit that like and subscribe button, because we really like that, and well, you guys don't miss any new videos. See you again next time. Bye bye.